What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy, a geek. Yes, it's me, your Jimmy, a geek. So now I'm going to show you the CPU Z. Yes, the CPU Z. Let me go to the CPU Z. Here we go. And then let me show you the specs. This phone is running on the Android 8 Oreo OpenGL 3.2, which is awesome for playing Dolphin emulator. GameCube games. Device Huawei Honor Note 10, 354 ppi. Available RAM is like 1 point, around 28% is available RAM. Okay, come on, go back. Yeah, it's 95% battery life, thermal. Yeah, everything is in front of you, to be honest with you. All of this sensor about SoC is like Kirin 970, which is one of my favorite processor ever. At the end of the day, I really like this phone a lot. Again, if you have any more questions, leave in the comment section box. But it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.